My name is Isabel Wanner. So thank you for the opportunity to speak today. Good afternoon. I am Isabel Wanner. I am the Health Justice Advocate at Massachusetts Law Reform Institute. We are the state's nonprofit poverty law and policy center, and we work to advance economic, racial, and social justice through legal advocacy. I'm here today in strong support of the act relative to elder and medical parole. This bill addresses a serious problem in our correctional system, the ongoing incarceration of people who are elderly or seriously ill, many of whom could safely return home with the right support. Right now, nearly 1 in 3 people in our DOC is over 50, making Massachusetts one of the oldest prison populations in the nation. Many have been incarcerated for decades and are now living with chronic illness, disabilities, or mental capacity issues in facilities that were never designed for providing long-term or end-of-life care. The Commonwealth spends millions of dollars to confine these aging and sick individuals who pose minimal risk to public safety. Continuing to incarcerate this population serves no rehabilitative purpose and drains resources that could be redirected to reentry, treatment, and community safety. The 2018 medical parole law was intended to address this issue, but has largely failed, as others have talked about. 88% of parole petitions were denied in that first 5-year period, often for reasons unrelated to a person's health or current public safety risk. This bill would close those gaps by setting clear standards, timelines, and judicial oversight. I would also really like to recognize the racial inequities in our correctional system. Black and brown older adults are far more likely to be serving long and life sentences, many imposed under the tough-on-crime era that punished poverty and addiction instead of addressing them. Today, Black residents in Massachusetts are serving life without parole at 9 times the rate of white residents, a disparity that shows how deeply the past continues to shape who has a meaningful chance at release. These inequities extend to medical parole as well. In 2024, 11% of Black applicants were granted medical parole compared to 29% of white applicants, so at 3 times the rate. These gaps reveal how compassion and discretion continue to be applied unequally in our system. Without a pathway for elder parole, those disparities persist and continue to deny people the chance for review based on who they are today, not what they did decades ago. In conclusion, this bill advances both safety and justice. It modernizes our parole system and ensures decisions are grounded in current public safety risk. MLRI also supports the companion reforms advanced by the Dignity and Freedom Campaign to strengthen human rights, family connection and visitation, and independent oversight. I respectfully urge you to report these bills favorably to help Massachusetts lead with compassion and common sense. Thank you.